Sensibility and practicality define the 2020 Toyota 4Runner. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated seats, front fog lights, lane departure warning, and power windows. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Call now to schedule a test drive.